Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk you through a couple steps of things that you can do at home to fix your own front load washer. Okay, a couple things you can do at home to repair your own front load washer and to maintain it and keep it in good shape. First thing we're going to talk about is cleaning out the drain pump filter. In order to access the drain pump filter, we need to remove this base pan down here. Easiest way to do that, there's 3 screws. One on each side and one in the middle. Once those screws are removed, this panel drops straight down and comes off. Once you get the panel off, you're going to see you have your drain pump and your filter access down here. In order to get to that, you're just going to unscrew the filter. You will have water that comes out, so make sure you have a towel down below to keep your floors from getting wet, a shop vac, anything to soak up the water. You're going to pull it out. Now here's your filter. A lot of time you'll get socks, bobby pins, coins. It'll catch them down into here. Eventually they can make it way into your pump, and that can cause your drain pump to be really noisy. And in that case, you'll need to replace your drain pump if it ends up breaking them. So you clean out your filter, and you just do the same thing in reverse. Put it back in. You're going to screw it into place. Make sure you fill the washer and check this closely. Make sure it's not leaking after you replace that filter. Okay, another important thing to remember on your front load washer is your door boot. This door boot can get mold buildup over time. Once it gets mold buildup, you cannot remove the mold. So what you want to do is prevent the mold buildup. A couple things you can do to do that. If you leave your door open at the end of a cycle, allowing the door boot to dry out, then that'll keep the mold from building up. Or you can grab a towel and dry the boot out itself. Another good tip to know is your dispenser housing. Pull your dispenser housing out. We're going to show you how to clean this out so that this doesn't get buildup in fabric softener inside of it. Once you pull it out, there's a release tab. Click that, your whole dispenser then comes out. From here you can take it, scrub it, clean it, make sure that's nice and clean, and then just do the same thing to put it back in, line it up in the grooves and push back in. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through a few steps that you can do at home to repair your own front load washing machine.